Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana-based NFT marketplace Magic Eden raises $27 million Series A non-fungible token. NFT marketplace Magic Eden has raised $27 million in the Series A funding round to expand its range of products and services. The round was led by Paradigm and included contributions from Sequoia and Solana Ventures, the Solana-based firm announced on Monday. NFTs are digital assets on a blockchain that represent ownership of virtual or physical items. The firm claims to be the largest NFT marketplace on the Solana blockchain, having surpassed transaction volume of more than 7.5 million SOL over the last 6 months. It also boasts over 90% market share for NFT games secondary trading volume. Analyst at Smart Contractor noted that SOL had shown a bullish Morningstar pattern for March, indicating that it was set to recover further after losses earlier in the month. The token is up nearly 33% from its March lows of around $81. Institutional interest. The DGM hopes boost Solana SOL benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers SOL staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly per data from CoinGecko. Luna is now the 7th largest crypto, with a market capitalization of over $34 billion, while SOL and ADA clock in at 8th and 9th respectively. What has been driving Luna's rise? Several factors have been named as the reason for the impressive run Luna has seen. One of these is the unique use case and mode of operation that Terra has. Terra is a proof-of-stake blockchain that lets users create stablecoins pegged to fiat currencies. These stablecoins leverage the network's signage mechanism. Also remarkable is that the stablecoins can be completely decentralized and regulation-resistant, unlike other stablecoins, such as USDT, USDC, and DAI. The flagship stablecoin on Terra is the dollar-pegged Terra United States dollars, US. US is currently the 4th biggest stablecoin in the crypto market, with a valuation of over $13 billion. Luna and US play key roles in the Terra ecosystem. Luna is both the pose token and the reserve asset used to absorb volatility in the price of US if it deviates from $1. The proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that the Terra blockchain utilizes is also unique in its way. According to Asparagoid, a market pundit on Twitter, Terra's pose mechanism trumps those of both Solana and Cardano. This is because staking rewards on Terra do not inflate the supply of Luna, as they are based on network value. Stakers on Terra are rewarded in US from gas fees and swapping fees accrued from transactions. While Luna is deflationary due to this, ADA currently has an inflation rate of around 5.7% per year. The inflation rate of ADA will slowly reduce to 0% when all 45 billion ADA tokens are issued. Similarly, SOL issuance began at an inflation rate of 8% per year, but is set to decrease every year until it settles at 1.5% per year. The market pundit points out that being DeFi platform competing with Ethereum, ETH. Both platforms offer all sorts of decentralized finance dApps, some with their cryptocurrencies as well. Instead of Ether at the center of it all, the Solana token is SOL. SOL is used to transact within the Solana network, to stake for governance purposes, and is given as a reward to validators. Otherwise, Solana has its own decentralized exchanges to trade the various tokens built on top of its platform. Every dApp built on Solana is sure to have its own SOL-compatible token, and on-chain decentralized exchanges provide an accessible way to buy said tokens now, because Solana's PO consensus allows it to process tens of thousands of transactions per second without fees. Solana Labs is building Solana Pay to provide that transaction power to the masses. Additionally, Solana's current bias is also decidedly bullish. Solana's bullish performance has been buoyed by a marked rise in demand for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the platform. This rise in demand has in turn been spurred by news that OpenSea, the industry-leading marketplace for NFTs, is set to integrate the Solana blockchain into its platform sometime in April. The announcement for the integration was made in a 16-second teaser video posted on OpenSea's official Twitter handle. The tweet was then quote-tweeted by OpenSea's head of blockchain, Adam Montgomery. Less than 24 hours later, the original tweet had been, "If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.